15. Mind-blowing facts about the Moon. Introduction, short number 1. Did you know the Moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, or that astronauts' footprints could last millions of years? Today, we're diving into 15 mind-blowing facts about the Moon that you won't believe. Stick around, because number 12 will shock you. Fact number 1. The Moon is moving away from Earth, short number 2. Every year, the Moon drifts about 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters, away from Earth. Scientists believe this will eventually slow Earth's rotation, making our days longer. In a few billion years, a day on Earth could last over 30 hours. Fact number 2, there's no sound on the Moon, short 3. Ever wondered what the Moon sounds like? Well, nothing. Since there's no atmosphere, sound waves have nowhere to travel, making the Moon completely silent. Imagine standing on a world where not even your footsteps make a sound. Fact number 3. Moonquakes exist. Short number 4. The Moon isn't as peaceful as it looks. NASA's Apollo missions discovered moonquakes, seismic activities deep inside the Moon. Some last up to 10 minutes, much longer than earthquakes. Scientists think the Moon's core is slowly cooling and shrinking. Fact number 4. The Moon has water. Short number 5. Once thought to be dry, the Moon actually has water ice hidden in its craters. NASA found frozen water at the lunar poles, which could one day be used for drinking water or even rocket fuel for missions to Mars. Fact number 5. The Moon affects Earth's tides. Short number 6. The Moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating high and low tides. Without the Moon, Earth's rotation and climate would be completely different. Some scientists even believe life may have started because of the Moon's tidal influence. Fact number 6. The dark side of the Moon is a myth. Short number 7. People think the Moon has a dark side, but that's not true. The Moon is tidally locked, meaning we only see one side from Earth. The other side gets just as much sunlight, so it's not always dark. Fact number 7. The Moon was once part of Earth. Short number 8. Where did the Moon come from? Scientists believe a Mars-sized object named Theia collided with Earth 4.5 billion years ago. The impact blasted debris into space, which eventually formed the Moon. Fact number 8. The Moon is slowly shrinking. Short number 9. As the Moon's core cools, it's shrinking by about 150 feet, 50 meters, over millions of years. This shrinking causes cracks and cliffs on the surface, some of which are still shifting today. Fact number 9. Moon dust is dangerous. Short number 10. Moon dust is sharp like tiny glass shards and can stick to everything. Apollo astronauts found it irritated their eyes and lungs. Future Moon explorers will need special suits to deal with this problem. Fact number 10. The Moon has no weather. Short number 11. There's no air or wind on the Moon, so there's no weather. That means astronaut footprints from 50 years ago are still there and could last for millions of years. Fact number 11. The Moon's gravity is weaker. Short number 12. The Moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's. That's why astronauts could jump so high in Apollo mission videos. If you weigh 150 pounds, 68 kilos on Earth, you'd only weigh 25 pounds, 11 kilos on the Moon. Fact number 12. The Moon can cause solar eclipses. Short number 13. The Moon is 400 times smaller than the Sun, but also 400 times closer to Earth, making it the perfect size to block the Sun and create a total solar eclipse. Fact number 13. The Moon has been walked on by only 12 people. Short number 14. Since 1969, only 12 astronauts have walked on the Moon, all part of NASA's Apollo missions. No one has been back since 1972, but NASA plans to send astronauts again soon. Fact number 14. The Moon may have lava tubes. Short number 15. Scientists believe the Moon has giant underground lava tubes that could be big enough to fit cities. Future astronauts could use these tubes as natural shelters from radiation and extreme temperatures. Fact number 15. We could be living on the moon soon, short and 16. NASA, SpaceX, and other space agencies are planning permanent moon bases in the next decade. The moon could be the first step to launching missions to Mars and beyond. Would you live on the moon? Final thoughts. Call to action, short and 17. That's 15 insane facts about the moon. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other space videos.
Saturn. 15 mind-blowing facts about the ringed giant. Introduction, short no 1. Saturn's rings are so wide they could fit 6 Earths across. But did you know Saturn is the least dense planet and could float on water? Let's explore 15 insane Saturn facts. Fact number 1. Saturn's rings are huge, short. 2. Saturn's rings stretch over 170,000 miles, 273,000 kilometers wide, but they're only 30 feet, 10 meters thick. Fact number 2. The rings are disappearing, short. 3. Saturn's rings are slowly falling into the planet. In about 100 million years, they might be completely gone. Fact number 3. Saturn is the least dense planet, short number 4. Saturn's density is so low that if you had a giant bathtub, it would float on water. Fact number 4. A year on Saturn is 29 Earth years, short number 5. Saturn takes 29.5 Earth years to orbit the Sun. If you were born there, you'd celebrate a birthday only every 30 years. Fact number 5. Saturn has 146 moons, short number 6. Saturn has 146 confirmed moons, the most in the solar system. The biggest, Titan, has an atmosphere and rivers of liquid methane. Fact number 6. Titan could support life. Short number 7. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has lakes and rivers of liquid methane and a thick atmosphere. Some scientists think alien life could exist there. Fact number 7. A storm on Saturn lasts for decades. Short number 8. Saturn has a massive hexagon-shaped storm at its north pole, and it's been swirling for decades. Fact number 8. Saturn's winds are insanely fast, short 9. Saturn's winds blow at 1,100 km per 1,800 km. That's faster than a Category 5 hurricane. Fact 9. The rings are mostly ice, short 10. Saturn's rings are made of 99% ice with chunks ranging from tiny grains to bus-sized boulders. Fact 10. Saturn's day is super short, short 11. Saturn rotates so fast that one day lasts only 10.7 Earth hours. Fact 11. Saturn's magnetic field is weird, short 12. Unlike other planets, Saturn's magnetic field is perfectly aligned with its axis, which is a mystery to scientists. Fact 12. Enceladus might have life, short 13. Saturn's moon, Enceladus, shoots out water geysers into space. Some scientists believe it has an underground ocean with alien life. Fact 13. Saturn was the first planet with rings discovered, short 14. Galileo first saw Saturn's rings in 1610, but his telescope wasn't strong enough. He thought they were ears sticking out of the planet. Fact 14. Saturn has seasons. Short 15. Like Earth, Saturn has seasons, but each lasts about 7 Earth years. Fact 15. Cassini showed us Saturn like never before. Short 16. NASA's Cassini spacecraft orbited Saturn for 13 years before diving into the planet in 2017, giving us our most detailed look yet. Final thoughts. Call to action. Short 17. Those were 15 insane facts about Saturn. Which one amazed you most? Comment below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for Uranus next.
Mercury 15. Mind-blowing facts about the closest planet to the Sun. Introduction. Short 1. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, but did you know it's not the hottest? Or that a single day there lasts 176 Earth days? Stick around for 15 insane Mercury facts. #12 will blow your mind. Fact No. 1. Mercury is the smallest planet. Short 2. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of only 3,032 miles, 4,880 kilometers, barely bigger than our moon. Fact No. 2. A day on Mercury is longer than a year. Short 3. One day on Mercury takes 176 Earth days, while 1 year is only 88 days long. That means if you lived on Mercury, you'd have a birthday before your first full day ended. Fact number 3. Mercury has no atmosphere. Short 4. Because of its weak gravity, Mercury can't hold an atmosphere, so there's no weather, air, or protection from space radiation. Fact number 4. Mercury is shrinking. Short number 5. Mercury's core is cooling, causing it to shrink over time. Scientists estimate it has lost about 4.4 miles, 7 kilometers in diameter. Fact number 5. It has the biggest temperature swings. Short 6. Despite being closest to the Sun, Mercury isn't the hottest planet. Daytime can reach 800 degrees, 427 degrees, but at night, it drops to 330 degrees, 201 degrees. Fact number 6. Mercury has ice. Short number 7. Yes, you heard that right. Deep inside Mercury's shadowed craters, NASA found frozen water protected from the Sun's heat. Fact number 7. It has the most craters. Short 8. Mercury has tons of craters because it has no atmosphere to burn up meteors. The largest one, Caloris Basin, is about 950 miles, 1,525 kilometers wide. Fact number 8. Mercury's sunrises are strange. Short 9. Because of Mercury's weird orbit and slow spin, the Sun rises, stops, moves backward, then continues forward again. Imagine watching that. Fact number 9. It's hard to see from Earth. Short number 10. Even though it's close, Mercury is hard to spot because it's always near the Sun. The best time to see it is right before sunrise or right after sunset. Fact number 10. Mercury has a weak magnetic field. Short number 11. Unlike Earth, Mercury's magnetic field is 100 times weaker, but it still creates magnetic tornadoes that funnel solar wind to the surface. Fact number 11. Mercury could have once been a bigger planet. Short number 12. Scientists think Mercury might have lost part of its outer layers due to a giant impact billions of years ago, making it much smaller today. Fact number 12. Mercury's core is huge. Short 13. Mercury has a massive iron core taking up 80% of its volume, way larger than any other planet's ratio. Fact number 13. There's no moons or rings. Short 14. Mercury has no moons or rings, likely because it's too close to the Sun, which would have pulled them away. Fact number 14. We've only sent 2 spacecraft there. Short 15. Only 2 missions have visited Mercury. Mariner 10 in the 1960s and Messenger in 2011. A new mission, Bepi Colombo, is on its way. Fact number 15. If you stood on Mercury, you'd weigh less. Short 16. Mercury's gravity is only 38% of Earth's. If you weigh 150 pounds, 68 kilos on Earth, you'd only weigh 57 pounds, 26 kilos on Mercury. Final thoughts, call to action. Short number 17. Those were 15 insane facts about Mercury. Which one surprised you most? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next planet in the series.
Neptune. 15 mind-blowing facts about the windiest planet. Introduction. Short 1. Neptune is the windiest planet, with storms that rage at 1,800 mph per 2,000 km/s. It also has a moon with geyser-like volcanoes and might even rain diamonds. Stick around for 15 crazy Neptune facts. Fact number 1. Neptune is the farthest planet. Shortener 2. Neptune orbits 2.8 billion miles, 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. That's so far that sunlight takes 4 hours to reach it. Fact number 2. A year on Neptune is 165 Earth years, shortener 3. Neptune takes 165 years to orbit the Sun. It only completed its first full orbit since discovery in 2011. Fact number 3. Neptune has supersonic winds, shortener 4. Neptune's winds blow at 1,200 km/h, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Fact number 4. It has the most intense storms, shortener 5. Neptune's storms are huge and short-lived. The Great Dark Spot, first seen in 1989, vanished a few years later. Fact number 5. Triton orbits backward. Shortener 6. Neptune's biggest moon, Triton, is the only large moon in the solar system that orbits backward. Fact number 6. Triton has ice volcanoes. Short number 7. Triton is home to cryovolcanoes, which erupt liquid nitrogen instead of lava. Fact number 7. Neptune might rain diamonds. Short number 8. Scientists believe Neptune's deep atmosphere compresses methane into diamonds, making it rain diamonds. Fact number 8. Neptune has 14 moons. Shortener 9. Neptune has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest. Fact number 9. Neptune's deep blue color is a mystery. Shortener 10. Neptune is bluer than Uranus, but scientists don't fully understand why. Fact number 10. Neptune's rings are faint and clumpy. Shortener 11. Unlike Saturn's bright rings, Neptune's rings are faint, dark and clumpy, and scientists aren't sure why. Fact number 11. It's the smallest gas giant. Shortener 12. Neptune is the smallest gas giant, but it's actually more massive than Uranus. Fact number 12. Neptune was discovered with math. Short number 13. Scientists predicted Neptune's existence before seeing it, based on its gravitational effects on Uranus. Fact number 13. Neptune has the strongest gravity, after Jupiter, short number 14. If you weigh 100 kilos, 45 kilo on Earth, you'd weigh 114 libs, 52 kilo on Neptune. Fact number 14. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to visit, short number 15. Like Uranus, Neptune has only been visited once by Voyager 2 in 1989. We still have a lot to learn. Fact number 15. Neptune's days are only 16 hours, short number 16. Neptune spins so fast that one day lasts only 16 hours. Final thoughts. Call to action, short number 17. Those were 15 insane facts about Neptune. What blew your mind? Comment below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for Pluto next.